Hi everyone, my name is Christina. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to be talking about Valentine's Day. I love holidays. I love all holidays. So don't you worry, if Valentine's Day is not the day for you, we'll get a video that you will like because I love them all. All right, today we're gonna be setting my table and I'm gonna show you what I do with my Beauty and the Beast themed dining room. I did not decorate with these interesting chandeliers, but they're too expensive to change, so we're gonna just work with it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is make sure that we start with a clean table. For this table, my kids, they're a mess. They do all kinds of things to my furniture. So, when I buy furniture, I get furniture that looks like it can be destroyed. So I'm not so sad when it is destroyed. This trusty old wood table with a bench and a couple of cute chairs is what is in my dining room right now. I have a nice rectangle to work with. I usually try to do some fun stuff in the center, so let's get started. First, we're gonna start with the center of the table. I like for Valentine's Day to include some hearts and some fun Valentine's-y colors like pink and red, so let's do that. I bought these. Actually, these are super old. I reuse them every year, people. So it has grease stains on the back. It's fine. Nobody will ever know because you're gonna put them this side up. You take this, and let's just spread them out in the center of the table for now. Looks good. We'll do them different directions. Yeah, that looks good. I'm thinking I'm gonna put something nice in the center here. So I saw this at Home Goods, and it's just an empty kind of pot. You can put utensils or like your stove stuff in it, but today we're gonna just flip this sucker upside down and use it as a riser on our table. I'm gonna put this right in the middle. And then I found these cute little things. They have kind of these, I don't know what they are. Feels kind of plasticky. They're not silk. It's a different, I don't know what it is, but it's so nice and it feels real. So I'm gonna place that there. Let's do that one there. And then I got a different color. You can mix up colors. I'm gonna mix up colors here. I think that looks pretty. Now I have some little candle stands. I got them from Hobby Lobby, oh gosh, 1,000 years ago. But I love stuff like this because you can reuse it and reuse it and reuse it in all of your decor, all over your house or different holidays. I kind of just repurpose things. These colors and all these little flowers and stuff, they can be repurposed for spring. Think about that when you're buying stuff. Don't go crazy with everything saying Happy Valentine's Day on it. Just kind of go with a color scheme and then throw a couple of Happy Valentine's Day things in there like some hearts, but then that's it. Because then you can reuse it. All right, so I'm gonna take these and I have some candles here. These. And I'm going to take these and kind of place them. And we're gonna play with them and fix them. This is looking super cute. I'm liking how it's turning out. And as you noticed, I don't actually have the same sizes everywhere. I don't like that there. I'm gonna do like this. Yes, there we go. I think that looks beautiful. You want them to kind of be different heights and look fun. And so that's how we're gonna leave that. Now I have these little Valentine's Day hearts. And I'm gonna just scatter them and put them all over. Now nap time. I have these that I got from Home Goods. I got these some time ago, but they're awesome because they can go with any holiday really, but I think they look pretty here. So I'm going to spread these out. I have this little sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. I had it for my sister's bridal shower, but I think it looks super pretty here, so we can just put that on the table. Why not? And then last, I have these things, and we're gonna take fishing wire, essential. Scissors, essential. I always have fishing wire and scissors on hand. I do all kinds of different events and things, and whenever I do something, the fishing wire is a necessity. I can hang from just about everywhere, and you can't even see it. It's amazing. I love this stuff. So we're gonna take these, and we're gonna hang them from our chandelier. So we do this last, okay? And we're gonna do it last on purpose because I wanted to see how tall this would be. And then I'll kind of know where to gauge how low to put these. I'm gonna use the fishing wire and I'm gonna put them at different lengths, okay? So you're gonna just cut your fishing wire different lengths. Perfect. So we're gonna do that all around our chandelier and then we'll be finished. Okay, we are done. So that did not take us long, and this is how it turned out. So thanks for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you can get all the notifications when I put up a new video. Also, if you have any ideas for future table settings for this table, please let me know. Put it in the comment section below. See you soon.